So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this today's video, I'll be giving you tutorials how you can customize your home screen and lock screen of your Xiaomi phones. So without wasting time, let's start. So in this case, I had been using Poco X7 Pro. And the HyperOS update that my phone has is 3.0.4.0. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, you need some icon packs, some themes which you can download from the themes app. So to do that, you have to open the themes app and go to the theme section and search here. So the themes name. So the themes name, as I have already downloaded it, so I'll be not downloading it again and again. So let's see this. See this thing, Bitcoin. What it has the furry icon packs. That is the most trending icon packs nowadays, and it also has the time widget of furry. And second thing is this has the transparent icon packs. You can also download this, the small glass. mm, Ox F3, it has the Samsung furry icon pack. You can also download this. So this is the second step. So after downloading the things, so the third step is to open your personalization settings. To do that, you have to go to your phone setting, that is, and you have to scroll down, click on your personalization section. So as you can see, I have already created many of the themes. So for you to create a new theme, you have to go to your new set. You have to click on this new set. So after clicking on the new set, you have to choose any one preset of the themes. So you can click any of the themes. So randomly, as I'm clicking this one, and all you have to do, you have to go on to your wallpapers, local photos. So here I have uploaded wallpapers on my Telegram group. So check there and download the wallpapers from there. So in this case, I will choose any random wallpaper. For example, let's take this one. Can you see this? So actually, the depth effect is not available on this because the subject is too much upper. So let's take any another wallpaper with a little smaller subject. See, let's take this one. Can you see this cat? So after this, you can turn on off the depth effect from here. You can also customize your clock widgets. Click on this clock and you can see many of the widgets. This also looks good. This also looks good, but it has eaten all the cat. Cat is not properly visible. This also looks good. So you can choose any of the time widgets you want to use. So in this case, I think this looks the best. It looks amazing. So moreover, you can also change the font color. By default, it will blend with the custom wallpapers. So that's it. You can also apply effects, that is this lens effect that has the bubbles glassy effect. But to if you turn on this effect, it will by default disable the depth effect. So if you want depth effect, you have to use the original, that is you can't use any effect. If you want the lens effect, that is this blurry effect, you cannot use the depth effect. So in this case, I had been using depth effect. So home screen, you can choose if you want blur home screen or not. I want blur home screen, so I'll be taking that. So you all you have to do is click apply. So if you see now, the lock screen is changed, but you can also turn on the AOD, always on display, that is this thing. So if we take home screen, it is good, but now let's change the icon pack. It looks very boring, and so to do that, open your themes app and download any of the themes. So when you'll open, you have to go to my accounts. You have to go on your icons. So here you can see many of the icons of the themes that I have already downloaded. So in this case, I'll be downloading, I think, this furry icon pack of Samsung. All you have to do is click apply. The icons are changed. So now it looks amazing. Also, you can add some widgets here. For example, Android widgets. this is the widget. This widget actually came from the themes, that is the rat wig theme. So now it is looking amazing. So follow for more videos and support my channel. Thank you.